In this video, I'll detail how to make iPhone camera full permanently. So if you are taking a picture on your iPhone and each time you want to take the picture on your iPhone, this is what you're going to see. Instead of having the iPhone camera to full up the screen just like this, then in this video, I'm going to show you a quick workaround on how you can easily make your iPhone camera screen full permanently. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to make iPhone camera full permanently is open the camera application. Then once you open that, swipe up like this, or better still, click on this pointed arrow to open the menu. Then on the menu, click on this to switch the photo format. Then set to 16 by 9. Then you can just click outside, take your picture like this. Then when next you open the camera application on your iPhone like this, it's going to set to 16 by 9. So that's going to easily make your iPhone camera full screen permanently. And if you want to switch it back, repeat the process, click on this and then click on the format and set it to whatever format you want to set it to. So that like that. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.